Hello everyone, in this video I will introduce to you a software that helps you auto-comment in Facebook groups. So how do you find customers? Through comments. For example, imagine this is a sales post. So when you post a sales post like this, right, there are a lot of comments below. Some people comment to boost the engagement of the post, others comment to cause trouble, and others comment to ask about the price, right? Or maybe they're asking about product information, for example. So you can use the comment section to boost the post. You can imagine that this is a competitor's post, but when there's too much information, customers will have to sift through each comment one by one and to find each one like that. So you can take advantage of this method to approach customers more specifically. That means you can filter customers right on your competitor's post. It's really that simple. Now, let's talk about the steps. This is the interface of our Facebook software. Here, in the account management section, you can manage unlimited accounts. You can add as many accounts as you want, and each account can have its own proxy to ensure it's a unique account. Setting up a proxy is very simple. If you have a static proxy, just assign it to the account, that's it. Very straightforward. And in this software, there are several features like account nurturing, so your accounts can operate just like real users. Our software does exactly that. Scrolling the news feed, watching reels, performing various other tasks, even messaging. To increase comments on a post or to comment continuously in groups, just go to the comment function. Here, you have two options. The first is normal commenting and the second is comment by keyword. For comment by keyword, you just enter your keywords here. For example, you might use fashion or cosmetics or something like that. Here, I'll base it on previous comments. So now I'll select a few accounts. Next, I'll select the content. This content needs to be prepared in advance, so you have to go back to the content management section and prepare your content first. First, you'll need to create a category. For example, here you can name it whatever you want. Let's say I just make up a random name, then it will appear down here, for instance. So here, I'll take an example of a post. Let's say this post, and then I attach and edit it here. If you want to add a new one, you attach the app post here, then adjust the try section, the comment section, and edit the category section with whatever you want. Then you enter the content, upload images. You can even comment with images or videos. That's all fine. Here, I already have it prepared, so I'll just edit it. For example, here, I mistakenly changed this to Kongbe post, so I'll just change it back to comment. It's that simple. Then I go to the comment function, comment, and select, for example, these accounts. Then I'll choose the groups, the group IDs. You can set how many groups each account will comment in. Here, I'll just pick one group and I'll post comments on multiple posts. There's a tool here that helps you convert links to groups, and it can do it in bulk. For example, I'm converting 4 links at once. So here, I'll copy this, copy the ID, and then just paste it straight in here. Then I save it. After that, I set the parameters. For example, automatically join the group if not already a member, avoid duplicate groups, and delete the ID after a successful comment, things like that. Once that's done, here I select all 4 accounts. I'll add one more account to make it even, then I just start. The software will run for me. You can see its progress running right here. For example, now each account is commenting, right? So each comment takes about a minute because I've preset the timing to make it look like a real person. Because when people comment, it also takes them time to type and then post, right? Here I'll check. For example, I'll check this group section.